We'll guide you through how to upload your website on the internet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're going to hand over the video to Pauser, who's going to continue with it.
We will be using Netlify. So let's say you have built a website, maybe using a plain HTML, CSS, and right now it only exists as a folder of files sitting on your computer. Anyone who wants to see it would need to be sitting right in front of your screen, which obviously is not practical if you want to share your work with a client, a friend, or wider internet. To let other people view it, you need to host it somewhere online on a server that stays available at all times so that whenever someone visits your link, your website loads instantly. There are plenty of hosting services out there. Many of them charge a monthly fee, especially once your website starts getting a decent number of visitors. But for a smaller project, personal portfolio, simple demos, or client preview, you don't really need to pay anything at all. That's exactly what we are going to work through today. Let's get started. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Netlify, which is spelled as Netlify. After that, you can just go ahead and go to the official website from netlify.com, and here just go ahead and look for sign up or login. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in, but I'm assuming you don't have one, so just go ahead and click on sign up. After that, just go ahead and choose your sign up option. Now here you will land in this interface. Now just go ahead and enter your name. You will see how are you planning to use Netlify, and also this is a required field, so you cannot skip it. So as for me, I'm going with personal. After that, what's your experience building on the web? If you are a beginner, go with beginner or basic or intermediate or advanced. So for me, as I'm a beginner, I'm just gonna select a beginner, and you will also see what kind of project that you want to build first. So basically these are not required. So here scroll down, and you can also add your team name. So let's say I want to go with something like GuideRealm. After that, just click on continue to deploy. Now here you can deploy your first project, but I'm just gonna skip this step for now. And now you will land in this interface, and from here you will see you can import from a Git repository, or you can also upload your project file. So here you can drag and drop your project folder, or zip file, or single HTML file to deploy instantly. Now here you can choose to upload your folder. So I'm just gonna go to my main home screen, and here you can see I have solar system folder that I want to upload. So I'll just drag and drop it into the browser, and now you can see now when I drop it inside it, just like so, you will see it is saying uploading, please don't refresh. So just wait for it to complete. Now once the deployment is completed, you will see a clear message confirming that your deploy was successful. So now when I click on my link that is generated here, you will see it will successfully open, and now you will also see that it is saying built by GuideRealm. Now here I can just go ahead and pause my website, which is what I created, and I can even fast forward it just like so. Now to really put this to test, just go ahead and go to the address bar and press Ctrl C to copy the URL. And now let's say I want to open this in another browser. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search for Microsoft Edge and open it. And now I'm just gonna go to the new tab and press Ctrl and V key on my keyboard, and then press enter. And now you will see it is also working in another browser, which means our deployment was successful. Your website is not just visible on your own computer anymore. It is genuinely live and publicly accessible to anyone in the world who has the link at any time from any device. You may also have noticed that the link that Netlify handled you includes that randomly generated name that we mentioned earlier, something that likely has nothing to do with your actual project or business. If you would like something more recognizable and professional looking instead, Netlify makes things really easy to change. Just go ahead and head back to your Netlify. After that, just go to quick setup, and here feel free to type any name that you want to type. So let's say I want to type it something like GuideRealm Solar System. After that, choose to update project name, and now you will see your project name will be successfully added. You can even add your custom domain by just buying your own domain. We are just gonna skip that part for now and choose to finish later. And now you will see it will successfully say GuideRealm Solar System.netlify.app. So now when I go and refresh the page, you will see it will say it is not found because this is not the site name anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and now you will see it will be successfully added. So now I can just pause it, and view the details from the solar system that I have created in my device. And that's genuinely all it takes. Your website is now live on the internet, accessible to anyone with link completely free of charge. The same process works for any simple website built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So once you're comfortable with these steps, you will be able to publish future projects just as quickly. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.